In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out of all devices on ElevenLabs. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you had signed into other devices and you can no longer access those gadgets, either phones or computers, you can remotely log out of all the other devices using your current device. To do this, log into your ElevenLabs account, and once you're logged in, you should see your profile icon on the top right. Click on it and look for settings. From settings, scroll down and you should see this second last option, sign out of all devices. Here you sign out of all devices and sessions. You will need to sign in again on all devices. So that means if you still want to be logged into those devices, you'll have to do it again. So if you click on sign out here like this, now you'll have to confirm that indeed you want to sign out. From here, confirm by clicking on sign out. So that's how you can sign out of all devices on ElevenLabs. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.